Oh, if I were a bird, and the sky was my domain, gravity a foreign foe who couldn't hold a chain, I'd nestle in the clouds where only God could go, and when I'd rest, my dreams be filled with what no man could know. Come winter, I would travel upon the winds of change. The southern route would raise its doubt, but never rearrange. And on the tides of spring, as sunlight hit the air, I'd wake to find a restless mind that yearned for home so fair. So wings would spread, the journey led, a homeward bound appeal, a fatherland that held the hand of promise and his seal. Upon arrival, trumpets sound, the land of milk and honey found. A heart so longing in its place, the taste of goodness, kiss of grace. At last I know I found his face. It waited for the morning. If I were a bird.